very overcomplicated, and you will end up, losing money. Okay, because adjustments, I'll tell you one thing, adjustments are not something that is there in the books. It is not officially part of technical analysis. That is one thing you need to understand. Adjustments are not part of technicals directly. Okay, this is something that people have introduced later on in recent times, where they have made adjustments according to themselves. So tomorrow I can also make a new adjustment and I can call that as a adjustment of this strategy. So adjustment is very subjective. That is a very big problem with that. I could have taught you that ladder thing for the straddle, जहाँ पे you have that flag thing, कि यहाँ पे you have the at the money call, at the money put short, both, okay, and the market starts going up, so you keep making a flag and you make a pyramid like that. Okay, I can teach you that, but again, all those things are not exactly based on, they don't have the perfect logic behind it. That's just something that you keep on doing because you're getting proved wrong. Okay, so what I would suggest rather than that is, if you really want to do something, accept the loss and move out. For example, you have sold 16,800 ka put. Okay, and I'm telling this from starting, if you're applying something, that has to be based on technicals. So if you're selling 16,800 ka put, what is the reason you're selling that? What is the strategy behind that? Is it buy at support? Is it a pivot strategy? So jo bhi uska SL hai, when that SL gets triggered, exit your position. Simple as that. That is the best thing that you can do instead of adjustments. Okay, adjustments tab aata hai when, it's a little overcomplicated thing which keeps on getting complicated more and more the more you get into it. That's a never-ending topic. So that's what I'll suggest. Just take an SL and move out. Take a SL based on technicals. That's better. Okay.
Okay, so मतलब SL लेके फिर new position create कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. फिर जो भी new position का मतलब ये नहीं कि ऐसे ही ले लिया, view होना चाहिए. New position क्यों ले लिया? Technicals उसके पीछे कुछ है तो. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, perfect.
जैसे मोमेंटम आता है तो हम ऑप्शन बाय भी कर सकते हैं ना. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे आप बता रहे हो कि कॉल
मोमेंटम वॉलेटिलिटी हो गया, मोमेंटम वॉलेटिलिटी हो गया, तो वॉलेटिलिटी इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली बाइंग प्रीमियम्स इज मोर बेटर, क्योंकि अगर वॉलेटिलिटी विल इंक्रीज तो प्रीमियम्स विल इंक्रीज. मोमेंटम इज इक्वल टू वॉलेटिलिटी. मोमेंटम मतलब क्या होता है? वॉलेटिलिटी होता है. तो वॉलेटिलिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है मतलब प्रीमियम्स इंक्रीज होंगे. अब प्रीमियम्स अगर इंक्रीज होने वाले हैं तो क्या करोगे? बाय करोगे, सेल करोगे? बाय करोगे. तो दैट इज व्हाई ऑप्शन बाइंग वुड बी बेटर देयर. That is why long straddle is
इंट्राडे के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में
इंट्राडे के लिए भी if you are expecting a momentum, if you are expecting a volatility increase, buying option or implementing option buying strategies, bull call spread, bear put spread, long straddle, all these are better. Naked call as well, all these are better than the selling thing. Okay.
Sir, मैंने अभी तक ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट नहीं किया था. I want to start with option selling. I have my capital, sir.
How much?
Like you said, you should have 5 lakhs. I have 5 lakhs, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll tell you now. I'll give you rules for option selling. Okay, you have a 5 lakh capital. Perfect. This is the minimum capital you should start with. Okay. Implement any option selling strategy. Still, since you're a beginner, what I'll suggest is only implement bull put, bear call. Okay. Or a combination of this iron condor. Focus on these 3 strategies, 1, 2 and 3. This one is for bullish view, this one is for bearish view, this one is for sideways view. You can only have 3 views. Okay? Volatility ka hai, so that is different. Okay, that is the option buying, again that is different. But focus on these 3 things. Sideways, bullish, bearish. Okay? 5 lakh capital hai. What I'll suggest? Okay? Trade with 1 lot. Okay? Which will require a capital of close to 40,000. Okay, start with this. Start with 1 lot. Okay, and once things go haywire, when I mean by haywire means you will get a chance to average it out. क्योंकि कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि you जैसे for example I'm applying a pivot strategy. मुझे लग रहा है ये S4 है मेरा. You all know S4 is a very strong level. So I don't think S4 के नीचे market जा सकता है because the trend is bullish. So I'm selling based on that strategy. Okay, तो what will happen is, for example, you're implementing it here, market comes here, and then it is bouncing off. So you took the first lot here, average your second lot here. Okay, so your main thing is that you have to trade, like you can trade with 2 lots, but you will only start with 1 first. Okay, Then if something goes haywire, go for 2. And if anything really worse happens where you think, not worse, what I mean by that is if you see a really good opportunity, it's not only about averaging it out, you can also average it up. You think ki, the confirmation has occurred, everything is occurred, now it is only going to go up. So let me average up my position. That is also something we can do. Then go for 3 lots, which will take your capital of 1.2 lakhs ke aspas. Don't go more than 3 lots. Okay. Always keep a fund at least 3 lakhs free in your account out of 5 lakhs. Okay. So do this. This should be enough. Don't.
And can you give a view for intraday, sir? Like how should I start from?
Same thing. Same thing you can do. Just find a strategy that you want to follow first. You want to find
And
a
should
strategy.
Okay, the strategy.
Any strategy.
So what will you prefer
RSI.
for? Should I in intraday? Should I go for ATM or ITM or OTM?
Again, second rule, only sell OTM.
Just say OTM.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Hi Yash. Can you please open the open interest chain?
Yeah, sure.
So one small question. Like there is the strike price of 17,000 and there are 57.9 oil lakh. So these are the put writers, right?
Correct.
And at 17,300 at the call price, 50 oil was the call writer.
True.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry, OI lakh is the OI writer, sir. Like I didn't get this, sir.
Yeah, this OI lakh means ki this is in terms of lakhs, 33 lakhs, 32 lakhs.
Yeah. That I know.
So this is open interest that we learned.